Welcome back to Caravaggio Corvettes. Today, we're comparing our limited build CR1 Corvette against the stock ZR1. Factory performance versus coach-built dominance. This is the Corvette ZR1, the pinnacle of factory Corvette performance. At its core is the 5.5-liter LT6 V8, producing 670 horsepower with an 8,600 RPM redline, making it the highest revving Corvette ever built. The result is instant throttle response, blistering acceleration, and a top speed north of 210 miles per hour. Built on a mid-engine platform, the ZR1 delivers balance and confidence at speed. Advanced suspension, available carbon ceramic brakes, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires give it serious grip on road or track. Visually, it's aggressive and functional. Wide bodywork, massive cooling intakes, and active aerodynamic elements that generate real downforce. Inside, it's driver-focused and purpose-built. With the ZR1X package, everything is pushed even further. This is the edge of factory engineering. But what happens when those limits are removed? That's where the Caravaggio CR1 begins.
Introducing the all-new CR1 by Caravaggio Corvettes, a radical reimagining of the C8 ZR1 and ZR1X. This isn't a body kit. It's a full carbon fiber rebirth. Nearly every exterior panel has been replaced, transforming the ZR1 platform into something more aggressive, more refined, unmistakably Caravaggio. Wide, planted, and engineered for real aerodynamic performance, the CR1 balances visual drama with true function. And in true Caravaggio fashion, we turned up the power, adding 75 horsepower for even sharper response and urgency. Inside, it's completely bespoke. Italian leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, every detail tailored to the client. No two cars will ever be the same, limited to just 20 builds worldwide, 10 coupes, 10 convertibles, each one a true one of one. The Series 1 was the proof. The CR1 is the revolution. The ZR1 Corvette is a factory-built weapon, engineered for extreme performance straight from Chevrolet. But the CR1, that's the evolution. While the ZR1 delivers raw power, the CR1 transforms it. Full carbon fiber coachwork, 75 more horsepower, bespoke interior, and limited to just 21 of one builds worldwide. The ZR1 is production. The CR1 is personal. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Factory Legend or Coach-Built Revolution. The choice is yours. Interested in building your very own CR1? Visit our website or contact us today for further information.